Task number 8, conclusion. In this room, we covered the ISO OSI and TCP/IP models, comparing and contrasting the two. We also covered IP addresses and subnets briefly, explaining routing. Furthermore, after diving into TCP and UDP, we explained encapsulation. For demonstration purposes, we used Telnet to talk to different servers over TCP. Now that you have finished networking concepts, it is time to join Networking Essentials. Answer the questions below. Please note and remember all the concepts, network layers, and protocols explained in this room. Will do, shall do, will do, complete. So the next one will be Network Essentials, should be at least. Let's see where we will land. Network Essentials, awesome. It's a premium room. So see you in this one next time.